Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, we'll be showing you how to make salted cod with tomatoes. Now, this video is part of a first video that we posted last week, which was how to make fried bake, and we served it with this dish. So if you'd like to see how to make the fried bake, I will link the video in the description below. So without further ado, let's get on into this video. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to start with is a salted cod, and you're going to let the fish wash in cold water for 20 minutes, and then you're going to repeat those steps 3 to 5 times. Now the reason why we're doing this is because salted cod is obviously very salty, so you don't want to just cook it on its own because it won't taste very well. It's very salty, so you want to get some of that salt off of it. Then you're going to soak it again in lukewarm water for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is our way of getting the salt off. This is the way that's worked for us in the past, and it's gotten most of the salt off. That way it's not too strong when you're eating it. After your cod has soaked for long enough, you're going to take a baking pan and you're going to line it with tin foil and then put your salted cod on top. And you want to make sure that the pieces remain intact for now, because we're going to be putting this into the oven. So just line them out onto your baking sheet, and then we're going to start adding some seasoning to it before we put it in the oven. So the first thing we're going to add, of course, is lime. Now lime goes well with any fish, lime and lemon. So this is just going to help some of the fishiness and the fishy kind of taste, because we don't really like that taste that much. So we're getting rid of that taste a bit with the lime when it bakes in the oven. And now we're going to take some parsley and add that on top, and we're just eyeballing it for this one. You can just sprinkle as much as you'd like. We're also adding some oregano. And then you're going to put this to broil on high in the oven for about 20 minutes, and after 10 minutes, remember to turn your fish. So now we're going to move on to the other ingredients. So you'll also be needing some tomatoes, an onion, pepper, and garlic, and we're also putting this in the oven to broil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what they should look like when they come out of the oven. They're going to be very roasted and they're going to smell great. So you're going to add these ingredients onto your saltfish when it comes out of the oven. So first we're going to obviously chop these up. So you're going to cut your pepper into how many slices that you'd like. We cut them very finely because you want them to mix into the saltfish very well. You're also going to do the same with both the tomatoes. And you're also going to do the same with the garlic and the onion. You're just going to mash the garlic so that it's in little pieces. That way it meshes really well into the saltfish. And for the onion, you're just going to chop it up and try to get it as much of a paste as possible. And then you're going to add these ingredients straight into your cooked saltfish. Now, with the saltfish, when you took it out of the oven, just be sure to mash up all of the big pieces. We're just doing this so that everything is cohesively together and mixed together nicely. And then you're just going to take a spoon, or tongs is what we're using, and just mix this into your saltfish. And once that's mixed up, you're going to add your green onions right on top. And this is just going to give it a nice color and also add a little bit of a spike of flavor as well. And then you're just going to mix this straight in, and the colors will look extremely beautiful with the greens, the reds. It's just a very appetizing looking dish. And it also tastes great. And that's the recipe completed. Very simple, very easy, something that can be done in about like an hour. And it's something that if you're on the go, this is a very easy meal to make, and then stuff it into a fry bake, or you can stuff it into like bread or anything like that. And it's very simple, and it's just a really easy recipe that taste delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below if you've tried our recipes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever we upload. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and thanks for watching.